fakes and step through and banks it in. And floater limbs out to blue. Nope, no, but follows by title. 2-0. Tries it again. Nope. Nurse on a layup on a play. But cleans it up again. Dancing. Wire shot. He saves it. Down. Jab step. Stop and pop. Short. Rebound blue. To white. Blue again. Tattle. Fakes. Draws a foul. Stop. Taro. And lefty layup. Nope. Rebound Mac. Dancing. Stop. Airball. Follows it. Nope. Nope. Rebound Taro. And layup. Misses. The nurse cleans it up again. Mac. Nice feed inside. It's too strong. Rebound Nurse. Nope. He misses. Blue. Stolen by Nurse. Leon. Dancing. Two all. Taro nearly lost it. Still dribbling. Step back. Feet. Deflects. Still has it. Taro for three. Short. What a strong wind. Mac. Thinking. Tries. Elbow. Tries it again. Taro gets it. Taro on a stop and a floater. Limbs out. Stolen by Taro. Nice feed inside. Tries and banks it in. 3-2, 3-0. Elbow. He embarrasses. Max dancing, crossover, stop and pop. Nope. Rebound Brew. Nice cut to nope. Deflects but still has it. Tries it again. Short. Taro has it. Kicks it out. 3. Nope. Still has it. Fakes and score. He on a long 2. Leon. Nurse. Step back. 3. Rebound Brew. He shows great handle. So he tries. Hesitated. Pure. Tries. Nope. Behind it back to Tarot. Fakes. Lost it. Nope. Nope. Rebound Blue. Game. Layup. Gets the bounce. 1-0. 1-0. Hands off to Taro. Fakes. Stop and pop. Rolls out. Nurse. He said broad. Oh, nice alley oop. Nope. Cleans it up again. Lindsay behind the back dancing. Lost it. Taro tries. Short. Nurse. Lindsay has it. Score. 1-0. And a sidestep. And he trouble. Dancing, step back, fakes, shoot, and score. 2-1. Miscommunication. Throws it away. Nurse. He lost it. Arrow on a stop and step back. Short. It hits the head and the elbow. Elbow. Lindsay. Dancing. To grass. Throws it away. Nice feed inside to blue. Black tries. He gets it. Banks it in off the glass. And tries on the just inside the paint. Black gets it. Side step. Nope. Passes. Nope. On layup. Libers. Nope. Follows. Nope. Nurse on a try. Short. Taro on a floater. Misses. Nice feed inside. Score. What's the score? Lindsay. Ooh. Step back 3. Short. He's such a strong body. Blue. Black. Nope. Spins. Throws it away. Fakes. On stop. Nice cut. Taro. Libers. Nope. There's a layup. Misses. To Nurse. Wild shot. Again, he's behind the pack. He tries. Glass. Lindsay layup way short. Sidestep. Lefty. Nope. Nope. Limes out. They're having wars. Lindsay. Stripped from behind. Tallow on the layup. Too strong. Levan Black. Stole him. Nice feed inside to Nurse. Nurse wide open. Too strong. Rebound Lindsay. To Nurse. Nope. Misses. And follows it. Lindsay calling for the ball. Stop. And shoots short. Black has it. There's another argument. It seems our ball. Taro on a stop and pop. Way off. Nurse to block. Good. Lindsay, nice feed inside. Nope, he misses. He gets the own layup. No, short. He's. Oh, he. Lindsay tries. No. Taro tries. Rolls out. Nurse. He lost it. Lindsay dancing on a layup to Nurse. Short. 5, 3, or 4. Nurse tries. Score. Way off. Stolen. Throws it away. Tries. Short. Mac has it. Score. 2-0. What the and 3 straight score. And tries the same spot and same result. Again. No. Stop. To White. Jab step. Step back. To Nurse. Score. 3-1. Lindsay on a floater. Couldn't handle it. Oh, he saves it? No. Back, stop, and pop. Pure. 4-1. Another floater. Nope. Lindsay. Jab step. Tries short. He follows it. Banks it in. 4-2. And layup. Score. He's really good at using his body strength. Stop. Another layup. Another finish. 4. Stop. Sidestep. Misses. Short. But gets this. Too strong. Lehman block. On a layup. Nope. There's a pass. And Nurse has it to Lindsay. Short. Rebound Williams. There's a foul. Lindsay dancing. Nice adjustment. Gets to the goal. 5-4. Crossover. Sneaks inside the runner. 6-4. That might be the dagger. Stop and pop. Limbs out. Steal their ball. Lands it. Crossover. Stop. And in trouble. White. Stop. He draws the foul. Landsy turns, spins, in trouble to Nurse. Nice inside score. Game. Landsy. Pure. 1-0. Stop. Such a strong body. 2-0. 2-0. Behind the back. And the contact. Goal. 3-0. He really likes to go to left. He tries. Nope. Lands a step back. Try. It's a 3. Score. 5-0. He takes it over. Crossover. Step back. Short. And tries short. Ness hards it. Stolen but still Lindsay ball. Layup misses. White. Way off. Now on a floater. Short. But gets on off the window. 5-1. Stop. Nope. Then intercepts it. Step back 3. Short. Layup. Oh. Block by White. Stop. Short. But follows it. 5-2. To White. He left wide open. Tries. Score. 5-3. And tries it again. Short. Nurse. Oh, stolen by Black. The runner. Short. Saves it. Nope. He's in trouble. Tries. Elbow. Now screens it up again. 6-3. Landsy. Nope. Tries wild shot and gets to the goal. Game. The layup. Nope. Nope. White on a runner. Short. Lindsay step back. Long two. Misses. Blue stolen by Black. Nurse turns and shoots. Too strong. Lindsay fakes. On a layup. Too strong. Rebound Blue. Tries. Airball. Huge disappointment for him. Lindsay short. Too strong. Let's strips it. He tries. Another airball. Still both teams scoreless. Lindsay dancing. Dancing. He lost it? No, it's a crossover. Nope. Too strong. Tries it again. Nope. Rebound Taro. No, what a pass, but kicks it out. Another airball. Three straight airball for my team. On a reverse layup, blocked by Red. Lindsay. Dancing. Dancing. Dancing step back. Three. It's in! What the fuck? Lindsay tries. Again. 4-0. He tries it again. Short. Rebound Black. 5-0. Dancing. Fakes. He harassing. He crushes it. Ren. Nope. He lost it. Tara has it. On a lefty layup. Jerry. He tries it again. Airball. She tries. Too strong. Finally hit the rim. And nope. Layup. Nope. Red of the runner. Too strong. Lindsay tries. Hit the side of backboard. The scissors stop and shoot. Score. 2-5. Stop and shoot. Airball. Lindsay. The runner too strong. He gets it. Short. He draws a foul. Nice active hand. Short. He tries. Limbs out. Red has it. Tries it again. Nope. Zero. He blocks it. He saves it. But He passed the tarot. The runner banks it in. 3-5. Stop. Block by Nurse. He's too big. 3 elbow. But hits the leg and still lands the ball. Stop the runner. What the shot? White tries. He stolen. Nope. Fight for the rebound. Elbow. Taro tries. Short. Taro tries it again. He gets it. 5-3. 5-6. Let tries. Too strong. Nurse. Red. Deflect and hit the lens's hand. So that means elbow. He dancing. Turn and shoots. Short. Rebound lands it. Spins and stop and pop. Short. Rebound Taro. On a tough layup. He draws a foul. He tries. Wire shot rolls out. Stop at the runner. Score. And tries. Rims out. White. Stop. Turns. Thought about it. Lindsay tries a 3. Way off. Hands off to red. Step back. Tries. Too strong. Levan Brock. Nice deceleration and gets to the goal. White. To Lindsay. Stolen by Taro. On a layup. He gets blocked it. To blue. To red. A nice lane. Nice step through. Nope. Lindsay. Taro harassing. He carries it to the double dribble, right? Red. Stripped. Taro tries. Elbow.